Officer Capello.
My brother. How is I been now?
Everywhere good though.
What can I come and ask this evening?
I just get one small question for you. The thing just dey bother me since now.
Which question be that?
If you are given the opportunity to become the president of Nigeria in a day, what will you do?
President of Nigeria.
Yes.
First of all, take Buhari for 550 days.
Why?
Buhari detained us for 7 years. And that 7 years, if you calculate that now, 2,550 days, I will detain him.
Abba.
After I detain him, I go to Obi Kubana. I will arrest Obi Kubana for misusing our money in his mother's burial. I will not end there. You see all those our politicians, but I will make sure say I dey arrest them one by one. Buhari no go, you no go free. See, but now you make us than me. I go dey collect bribe for your boys. So they say me we no dey collect bribe. I go collect. See, they don't dey owe us salary now. They don't give me. They say me we go strike. Me I no dey go strike.
Oh, Mumu, not too
I go
much.
go strike. My children dey house. My wife dey house. Make I go strike. I no go strike. I go collect bribe till they pay our salary. They say, so the Buhari dey there now. He dey suffer house for 2,255 days. They can't give me 1 day to become president. I go pay am back.
You stupid.
I go detain. I would make sure I detain him. Detention. And you know, and also I will provide job for unemployment. I will employ unemployment.
Jesus!
And also I will visit the orphanage home and also I also visit the hospitalities. Yes.